Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your trusted source for everything antique and vintage in home decor. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cabinet hardware, focusing on the top antique styles that can transform your kitchen into a timeless masterpiece. First up, we have the Victorian style. Known for its intricate designs and ornate detailing, Victorian hardware often features elaborate patterns, floral motifs, and brass finishes. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and grandeur to your kitchen, Victorian-style hardware is an excellent choice. It pairs beautifully with rich wood tones and traditional cabinetry, making it perfect for those who appreciate the opulence of the late 19th century. Next, let's explore the arts and crafts style. Emerging in the early 20th century, this style emphasizes simplicity, craftsmanship, and the beauty of natural materials. Hardware from this era often features hand-hammered details, geometric shapes, and a more rustic finish, typically in bronze or aged iron. Arts and crafts hardware is ideal for kitchens that embrace a more grounded, earthy aesthetic while still maintaining a sense of refined craftsmanship. Moving into the 1920s and 1930s, we encounter the bold and glamorous Art Deco style. Art Deco cabinet hardware is characterized by its geometric patterns, symmetrical designs, and use of luxurious materials like chrome, glass, and nickel. This style is perfect for those who want to add a bit of glitz and sophistication to their kitchen. Art Deco hardware works wonderfully with both dark and light cabinetry, making it versatile for various kitchen designs. Another classic choice is the Colonial Revival style, which gained popularity in the early to mid-20th century. This style harkens back to America's colonial past, featuring simple yet elegant designs. Colonial Revival hardware often includes round knobs, drop pulls, and backplates, usually crafted in brass or bronze. It's a style that brings a sense of tradition and timelessness to any kitchen, seamlessly blending with shaker style or paneled cabinets. Finally, we can't forget about the mid-century modern style, which surged in popularity in the 1950s and 60s. While not as old as the other styles we've discussed, mid-century modern hardware has earned its place as a beloved antique style, characterized by clean lines, organic shapes, and a minimalist aesthetic. This style often features materials like wood, metal, and bakelite. It's a great option for those who appreciate a blend of vintage charm and modern simplicity. Each of these antique hardware styles offers something unique, allowing you to infuse your kitchen with character and history. Whether you're drawn to the opulence of Victorian design or the sleek minimalism of mid-century modern, choosing the right hardware can make all the difference in achieving a timeless kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique hardware, be sure to subscribe to Antique Hardware Supply. And don't forget to like and share this video with anyone looking to add a touch of history to their home. And check the description for links to all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.